Okay, gents. Last question that I'd like to do for today's lesson. Again, it is in that handout of past exam questions that I gave you. So this is another example where the ball is not landing at the same height, or yeah, it is a ball in this case, and it is on a ramp. So you might think, oh, it's going to be a bit confusing or different, but let's have a look. So the golfer hits the ball at a speed of 40 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. So 40, angle is 30. Let us find the components. So this will be 40 cos 30 and this will be 40 sine 30. Now this is 20 and this is 34.64. Find the maximum height. Now the maximum height formula works regardless of whether the ball lands at the same height or below that. So let's use the maximum height formula, which is, so U is 40, theta is 30, so 40 sine 30 squared over 2 times 9.8, and it gives you 20.4 meters. So that is the maximum height that the ball will actually hit. Now it lands at a horizontal distance of 173. Find the vertical drop. So it's pretty similar to the last example. You know the horizontal distance, so find the time taken using that, and then you can find the vertical, because you can see this is actually the displacement anyways from the final position. So the height d is the displacement in the vertical direction. So let's first use the horizontal distance formula to find the time taken. So horizontal motion, S equals U horizontal times t. Horizontal distance is 173 and horizontal speed is 34.64. So 34.64 times t, and t comes out to be 5 seconds in this case. Now we need to find the displacement d. So displacement is the unknown. The initial, again, we're taking the up as positive direction. So initial speed is plus 20. So I'm going to write plus 20. Acceleration is 9.8 downwards, so negative 9.8. And the time taken for the ball to land or hit that point is 5 seconds. So I'm going to use S equals UT plus half AT squared. So S equals 20 times 5 minus 9.8 over 2, 5 squared, which is 22.5 meters. And that's it. So I'd like you to copy these worked out questions in the booklet that I gave you and continue working with the both handouts. Hopefully I should be back for Friday's lesson. If not, I'll record the lesson and yeah, upload it. Bye.